Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Cressy and today we're going to be making some cheese and onion bread.
So you want to start by chopping the head off a garlic bulb and then just drizzling it with some oil and salt before wrapping it tightly in some foil. Turn the oven to 200 Celsius and then cook for 45 minutes. For the dough, you'll need 1 kilogram of bread flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 8 grams yeast, 1 tablespoon mustard oil and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 180 ml of milk, 350 grams strong cheddar, 2 onions, 2 tablespoons fresh herbs, and sea salt and black pepper. Start by grating the cheese with a coarse grater. Finally, slice your onions. Heat the mustard oil over a low heat. Add the sliced onions. Put the lid on your pan and caramelise the onions for 20 minutes. After that, take the lid off and caramelise for a further 10 until soft and golden. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. In a large bowl, add 350 ml of warm water to the dried yeast and then leave on the side until it becomes frothy. Squeeze the roasted garlic into the caramelised onion and then mix. Add the milk, salt and olive oil and then mix into the yeast mixture. Gradually mix the flour in until the dough starts coming together. Gradually work the dough on a floured surface until it's soft and springy to the touch. This can take up to 10 minutes. For the window pane, you want to stretch a little bit of the dough to see whether it tears. To quicken the process, I've used my KitchenAid dough hook for a further 5 minutes. As you can see by the second test, the dough is now ready. Spray a bowl with oil and then leave the dough to prove for 1 to 2 hours at room temperature. Whilst the dough proves, scrape your bench to get rid of any residue. The dough should now have doubled in size and be full of air. Pour the dough out onto your bench and poke the air out using your fingers. Roll the dough into a sausage shape and then divide into 2 pieces. You can also measure these out if you'd like. Take one of the pieces and roll it out into a floured surface until it's about half a centimetre thick. Sprinkle the dough with the grated cheese and fresh herbs and then roll lengthwise, doing it as tightly as you can. Repeat this process with the other piece of dough. Gradually slice the dough roll lengthwise, making sure the 2 pieces are facing upwards and keeping the filling intact. Grab the 2 pieces and braid them over each other, pinching the ends together to shape the braid. Grab the braids and fit them into oiled loaf tins. Cover with oiled cling film and leave to prove for another hour. Turn the oven to 180 Celsius. Once the oven has preheated, brush the braids with egg wash. Sprinkle the braids well with sea salt and pepper before placing on the middle shelf and baking for 50 minutes. If the braids need longer, cover with tin foil and bake for a further 10 minutes. Otherwise, take the bread out of the oven and leave to cool on wire racks. Take the braids out of the tins and you should have a really golden loaf with a soft texture inside. There should be a swirl of cheese inside the loaf. This loaf is best served fresh or warm, ideally toasted with butter or dunked in soup. That's the end of today's video, so thanks for watching and make sure to like, share and subscribe.